Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So Friday's has ended up with a pin bar and off the moving average. So this trend is still up. It's been a bit messy. Well, not been. It is very messy. It's been like that pretty much since since July, end of July. It's been very messy, but it is moving up. So the trend is definitely moving to the upside. So we should be looking for opportunities to buy. The only thing that I don't like about this at the moment is, if you look, we had the big move down, bit of a move up, big move down, and then another little move up. So bit of confusion as far as I'm concerned. There's looking to the left, there's a lot of consolidation up, and then up, and now we're back into this bottom of consolidation. This, I mean, it is total confusion. There's no real direction. You know, we're swinging wildly based on the US markets. And the US markets are in a confused state at the moment with the Nasdaq. Nasdaq down another percent. It was down 4%. I don't know what it closed on Friday, but it was down 4% again at one stage. And the Nasdaq futures is down another percent at the moment. So there's a major tech sell-off, which is influencing all the markets right now. But this particular one, I mean, if you look at the buyers here, there were buyers. That, in a normal world, for me, is a buying opportunity. But with a moving average, we're going up and below, up and below, up and below all the time like this. It's stay far away from it at the moment. So I can't do that on the 8-hour with this. Okay, so you can see buyers stepped in off this level here, closed the gap. Although on the 3-hour that is still open, maybe close on a 5-minute, but on a 3-hour that's still open. And then we have another gap to the downside. We also have a deeper level here as well, which we did tag. Okay, and then basically we need to come down now to the next level, which is going to be somewhere down here. Now, if you just consolidate all of this on the 3-hour and have a closer look at what's transpiring, the buyers are coming in off the bottom here, low, higher, low, higher, low. So you should be looking to buy. That is pretty much the only trade that you have, but it's going to be hard work. Okay, so for me, I'm probably staying out of this today. I'm not really going to try and fight this. I would expect buyers to come in off here, but they have come in already going into close. So we'll have to wait and see what Europe does if we do open further down, which is a possibility. And these are the levels, I'll give them to you now, but those are the levels that I would expect. Oh, there's one more there. Okay. So see what I'm doing, guys. Looking for an area where price has gone past the previous lows, and that becomes my level. Okay, you can see quite a bit of congestion here as well. Okay, so let's look at that. What are we looking at? So first area here is 12795 or 12800, 12747, 12663, and then ultimately 12440. So if price does continue moving down, staying below the moving average on the hour, which gives us a short-term downtrend, these are the areas I'd expect buyers to come in at. Okay, and these are the areas that I would be looking at an entry to the upside. Just bear in mind, down here we have a gap. There is a gap which may influence us as well. Okay, so anyway, guys, I'm sitting on hands until I see something decent. At the moment, there's nothing that I like trading on this at the moment, and it's been like that for a good couple of weeks at the moment. So it will continue. I think the S&P or the Dow Jones, or even the Nasdaq, is probably going to offer a bit more value than what I can see on the DAX. Okay, anyway, guys, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.